Hello, magandang araw. So ngayon tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-repair ng battery ng drone, ang Mavic Air 1 to. So ang problem niya is totally not charging. Dito na wala siyang ilaw. So all of these three batteries, including this one, is not working also. It's not charging. Kasi matagal siyang na-stop. Discharge yung battery, so bumaba yung minimum battery niya sa 3.6 volts. So once it goes down below 3.6 volts, hindi mo na siya ma-charge ulit. Yan yung sakit ng DJI battery. So ito yung equipment natin. So kailangan natin itong tinatawag na CP2112. Ito yung gagamitin natin para ma-reset yung mga battery. So kailangan mo din ng DJI battery killer tool. So pwede na siyang i-download, or you can just send me through my email, via email, to request from me the software. It's leo_bungo@yahoo.com. So just send me a message or an email, then I can send you the software. And this one, CP2112, pwede nyo siyang mabili online. Okay, so let's start. So unahin na natin itong isang battery na to, hindi nagcha-charge. So meron tayong, first you need to check what model you are using, you are going to repair. Ito yun. So each type of Mavic have different wiring diagram. So mahalaga din yung SCL, ground, at supply ng SCBA. So kailangan hindi siya magkabaliktad. So ito, Mavic Air 1 yung gagawin natin. So count ka lang from left to right. So after 4 positive line, ito na yung SCL, then followed by SDA, then followed by 4 grounds. So you can either count from right to left. So 4 na pins dyan, ground, 4 na pins are supply. So kailangan natin itong tatlo, ground, SDA, and SCL. So from here, I already connected one para hindi tayo magtagal. So count ka lang from top para malaman mo kung tama yung configuration mo. So ground, which is ground. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 is red, which is SDA, and followed by orange, which is SCL. So dito mo siya tingnan, double check mo lang kung yung SCL mo is orange and SDA mo is red. Then ground is brown. So correct. So we just have to plug in this one. So kailangan wag niyo muna siya ipa-plug hangga't hindi kayo sure do sa wiring diagram nyo, kasi it can cause your battery to fail. Okay? So wait lang. Okay. So tama na yung wiring natin. Let's start to repair. Just click connect. Just click connect. Alright. So ayan. First, we need to read. Kapag na-read natin, so may chance siyang ma-repair. Okay? Okay. Oh, could not perform anymore. That's the problem. Alright. Unseal. Let's try to unseal. Oh, it's not working also. So wala. Hindi na. So the other options natin is to take off the battery, to open up the battery, kasi totally hindi na siya nag-charge. So walang supply sa loob. So hindi natin ma-reset kasi totally 0 volts na siya. Kung nag-below lang sana siya ng 3.6, may chance. So we have to close our software. Okay, close the program. So let's try the other two. Okay, I'll get back to you. I'll off first. Okay, so let's try this one again. Let's connect again and plug. Alright, then play our DJI killer. So unsuccessful tayo sa first battery natin. Connect again. Nga pala, hindi forget pag click mo ng connect, nagkaroon na, nakita mo na to, device successfully opened, device successfully configured. That is not the battery itself. It was this device, the CPP2112, that is being connected and opened and configured. So only if you press read and if something come out after you press read, like this is an error also, like the first battery. So we cannot perform any repair on this battery also. So sablay tayo ngayon. We cannot fully repair the battery because it's both dry. Okay, let's get back to you again. I'll try another one. Okay, so we are on the third battery. I hope it will work. Let's try to connect again. Reset. Connect. Alright. So let's connect and read info. Oh no. So totally it cannot be repaired. I'm so sorry. So this time we don't have the chance. There's only one possible way to fix this battery is to open up. There's no way you can do anything about it. So eto na siya ngayon. Kinabit natin yung positive terminal direkta dun sa balance charger natin tsaka yung ground. So purpose nito is to charge the battery. So kailangan natin ng 12 volts actually. Pwede na to. Kasi kung hindi umubra pa rin, kahit na-charge natin yung battery na ma-reset gamit yung CP2112, so kailangan natin ng ganyang kataas na voltahe para magamit natin yung DJI Assistant 2, yung pinaka-last option kung sakaling hindi natin ma-recover to. Okay? So connect na natin to, try natin recover. Okay? So yan, nakakonect na siya sa device natin na CP2112. So connected na siya sa laptop, pero dapat siguraduhin nyo na tama yung wiring nyo. Yung SCL at SDA hindi dapat magkamali. Okay, itong dalawang to. So bago nyo ikabit, double check nyo na itong help button. Just click the help button para makita nyo yung wiring diagram. So meron pang Mavic Pro, Mavic Air, and Mavic Mini. So tama na yung wiring natin. Try natin ngayon i-reset. Okay, gamit to. So connect, just click connect. Okay, so connected na yung device natin, pero yung battery hindi pa. So try natin i-read info. Kasi meron na siyang voltahe, so possible ma-read na siya. Pero kung wala siyang voltahe, hindi tayo papasok sa last option. Hindi siya ma-read, mag-error siya. Ayun! Okay, at least kahit paano nabasa niya, so kailangan lang natin siyang i-reset. Alright, click unseal. And we have this one, then unseal 2. Clear PF. Clear PF2. Okay, it's better if we reset the chip. Then read info again. Ayan, okay. So hindi natin kailangan yung last options. Okay na yung battery natin. Kung makikita nyo, ito na. Nagkaroon na siya ng 4 lights. So okay na, working na siya. Tanggalin ko lang, then try natin buuin ulit siya. Wala na yung wire, tinanggal na natin yung pagkasolder. Ngayon, bubuuin na natin siya. Try. Power on. Okay. So, ayan na. Pwede natin siyang i-try i-charge kung mag-charge na maayos. Actually, full bar siya eh. Pero try natin. Let's plug it in. Plug na natin sa charger niya. Dali, kasi makamit. Okay, plug mo. Just put inside. No. Right. Okay, then it should be charging by now. Okay, it's charging. So hindi pa siya fully charged. Then later tetest na natin siya. Tatlo na sila. Lahat okay na. Sorry. Recharge. Ready to fly. Okay. Done.